Okay everyone, so today, oh man, I can just tell by the camera view, I got a new camera and everything, so it's like clean, perfect. So today I am going to do a relay for the hyperflash. So when you do LEDs, they will not go. I'll show you in a second, but I'll plug one in and then we'll put the relay in and then we'll show you after. But I'm gonna go grab it. Okay, so this is just a regular 3D LED turn signal. I think, yeah, this is a switchback. I'm pretty sure this one still works. Kind of looks a little bent. If not, I can find another one. So you know, everyone hates that. And then the common thing to do for LEDs is to do a resistor where you have a little gold box and you kind of tap into the ground and the turn signal wire, and it works. The thing is, it kind of is, unless you know, screw it into something metal or something of that sort to try to keep out of the way. It heats up, it gets hot, it can cause a fire, you know, if you're not careful enough. And it just kind of looks like it just looks a mess. And I've done it in my other videos, and you've seen it if you've watched it. But this is what cures it. It's a lot safer and easier. I don't know about the installation, but we're gonna get into that in a minute. But this is Novita LM487. It's supposed to cure, or it's LED compatible, so because LEDs don't have that much of a load on them, so it automatically thinks that the bulb is out. So we're gonna do that. I'm gonna first plug in just the LED just to show you what it does. I'm pretty sure you've seen it. If not, this will show you. So this is hyperflash, and that's what it does. It's pretty awful. This is a switchback, but the white ones are out. That's what happened to it. So let's plug that one in. Okay, so to get to this, because it's like right here, here's the relay or the module, whatever you want to call it. But it's gonna go somewhere right here. So I heard it's kind of a pain to get to, but we gotta take this off. It's actually my first time taking this one off ever. I've never had to take it off, so wish me luck. Shouldn't be this hard. Hard to do with one hand though. Okay, so we got this one off, and now we're just gonna pull on it gently. Side already popped out. Looks like a little pin came out, but it's fine. I can put that back. It's gonna be right there. So gently. A little softer. There she is. Yeah, it's a pain. Holy crap. Let's see if I got a screwdriver and kind of put it in there. There you go. Okay. Get one out. Come on. Oh, bitch. There goes. Now, yes. I can remember now how it came out. So, stop for a second. So I pull it out like this. So let's kind of match those up. Okay. So that's how it goes. So we'll put it in like this, and we will get it in there. Oh my god. Okay. So I think she's in. Oh my gosh. I just don't want to turn it on and not be in the right hole or something. A little bit more. Okay, moment of truth. Hold on. Okay, now here we go. Okay, hold on. Seems a little slower. Oh yeah, definitely. Holy crap, it did fix it. It's awesome. I'm trying to think of how does that sound different? Not really. Awesome, it worked. Hell yeah. And a lot faster and easier than cutting, splicing, wrapping it up with tape and risking it. Let's turn the truck off. Hell yeah, dude. Easy. Now, probably the hardest part is putting it back together. That did not take that much time. So, let's do that. And, okay, so this was honestly the hardest part about the whole thing. Putting that back on. That was way harder than everything I just did. Because of the little clips. But yeah, that sucked. Okay, so the truck's on. I just wanted to show you what it looks like. And it's actually the switchbacks are working now. But I got different ones, so they won't do that. But that's basically what it does. There she is. It'll be a lot better. So I'm back, and these are the new bulbs I'm putting in. They are a JDM All-Star LED. They said these are the extremely super bright ones. Switchback. There we go. But that's them. We're gonna put them in, and we will get them all started. You know, we'll see what they look. Okay, so we got them installed. Everything went great. And these are actually my new ones, so this is a couple days later. But my switchbacks, I'll post a link down below on Amazon where to get them. They were not that bad, and they are really bright. Like they're not as bright. Like you could turn your headlight off and, you know, see the whole road. But I mean, you could see probably good 5 feet in front of you without your headlights on. But yes, I know I need to get HIDs because it looks awful. But so compared to my last fit fog lights, I'm gonna turn those on and you can see the color difference, because right now they look like a blue whitish color, and I can't remember. Well, I'll check. Hold on. And these ones look a little like a tiny bit wider on video, but honestly, and they are kind of little, like literally this probably looks like I would say I'm trying to think, maybe like a 55K color, like not like a 6000 where it's like pure, like you can definitely see the blue. Like in person, it looks like literally like a 55, and this looks like a 5. So I mean, there's very close in color. So, and that's it, and I'll show you the switchbacks. But the amber is like extremely bright, like extremely, like crazy bright. And it only takes like a second for it to turn back white, so it's not like whatever. And from when I was installing it too, the other one, the cheap one, was like amber white, amber white, amber white, amber white. Now it's just this amber. So definitely recommend them. They're not bad for the price, and they're definitely a lot better than just having stock ugly ones. But yeah, that's what it is. Like, share, comments, do what you want to do. I love it. And now I just gotta get HIDs or projectors, which I want to do, but we'll see what happens.